in operator. In operator. The in operator could be used to check if a specified object or variable exists within the list of variables. Let's see how. To use in operator, we first go to brackets. So in here, we need to create a variable, for example, animal, and assign it with a string name dog. Don't forget the string signs. Okay, right now we need to use if statements. So type if animal, then in operator with a list of strings. To make a list of strings, open brackets and put the string names following with the string signs separated by comma, and then close the brackets and put colon. For example, I wanna put any different strings. I will put lion, cat, and dog. After that, I'm gonna print your animal is in the list to make sure that it works well. Then we gotta try on terminal. So now open terminal and type Python 3. Drag and drop the file and press enter. Cool, as you can see here it says your animal is in the list, which means it works fine right now. So right now we want to use the keyword not and type animal not in the list. Also, change in the print statement and make it your animal is not in the list to make it little fancy. And delete the string dog, then try that on terminal. Don't forget to save the file before trying on terminal. Very good. Not displays well. Thanks for watching.